Ever had your Firestick stuck on the loading screen? Frustrating, isn't it? You're all set for a binge watch session, and then everything comes to a grinding halt. This common problem plagues many Firestick users, turning leisure time into a tech headache. But worry not. We have some simple solutions to get your Firestick back on track. Firstly, check your internet connection. A stable and swift connection is essential for your Firestick to function seamlessly. You can do this by running a speed test or checking if other devices are connected and running smoothly on the same network. If you notice any issues, try resetting your router or contacting your service provider. Once you've confirmed your internet is working fine, let's move to the next solution. Next, try restarting your Firestick. This simple yet effective method can often be the key to resolving any loading issues. It's akin to giving your device a brief rest, allowing it to refresh its memory and recalibrate any functions that might be causing the hang-up. It's like a mini vacation for your Firestick, and who doesn't love a good break? If restarting didn't solve the problem, don't worry, we have more solutions to try. Another common solution is to clear cache and data on your Firestick. Navigate to the settings menu, then select applications. From there, manage installed applications and choose the app causing trouble. Finally, select clear cache and clear data. Still stuck on the loading screen? Let's move to the next solution. Lastly, your Firestick might need a software update. To check for updates, navigate to the settings menu, select My Fire TV, and then About. Here, choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, select Install Update. After trying all these solutions, your Firestick should be back to normal. So, to recap, we've taken a deep dive into 4 easy solutions to solve a common Firestick issue. We discussed checking your internet connection, restarting the device, clearing cache and data, and updating the software. With these simple solutions, your Firestick should no longer be stuck on the loading screen. Enjoy your streaming.